Hello viewers, this is Shaban and you're watching Shaban Tech. Today we are going to learn how you can easily change the language in TikTok. We not waste our time, you know very well I am not waste my viewers time. We go to mobile screen and I will teach you how you can easily change your language in TikTok. Okay, let's go to mobile screen and here click on three lines and here click on setting and privacy and down scroll and here the option is language display and accessibility. In mid have language option, click there is language option and here is app language, click app language and here any language you can select there. See, have all languages there. For example, I want to select Urdu language, have Urdu language. If I want to select Turkish, Indian, anything, if you want to select here, Filipino also here, Espanol have my language. I am using international language, English language. I am using because my account UK and that's why my language select is UK, English UK. If you want, you can easily change there. Thank you so much for your time and if I hope you know how you can easily change your language in your app, everything you know. Thank you so much for your time.